Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you can click here. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.